we want our client to send us a put request to our book's ISBN endpoint. In that put request, our client needs to send us all the details of the book they want us to add in the request body as an object. We will then take that information and update the book object with the data to send us. Specifically, the request will look like the following. They'll send us a put request to a given ISBN, and then within that request, they'll send us an object that has a name field, and then it'll also have a price field. And the name field will be the name of the book, and the price will be the price of the book, which I set as 99 cents. And let's say the name of the book they send us is The Odyssey. Note here that the client send us all the information that we need for that resource. If our client only wanted to do a partial update, let's say they only wanted to update the name of the book, then they would have to use a different HTTP method, which is called patch, which we will discuss in a later video. The very first thing we need to be able to do is actually get back the data that our client is sending us. And we can do this by using the request.getJSON method as we did before. Just for testing purposes, I want to verify that we can indeed get the request body that our client sends to us by displaying it back to them. Now that this is defined, I need to return this, and then I need to convert this using JSONify. And that will set the correct headers back as application JSON to the client. In the next clip, I will open up Postman to make sure that we can get the request body that our client sends when they do a put request.